Hey there, people. Too Tall here. Hope you all are having a wonderful day wherever or whenever you might be. So, I have a bunch of goodies here. Haven't even unopened them yet. This previous video, I gave you guys a little preview as to some of the work that I'd be getting in, and it mentioned various parts, and well, this is it. So I figured I'd share this with you. So let's start with the box from Wolf Creek Saw Shop. Phone down just a little bit. There. Oh, look at that. Got me a hat. Thanks, Ryan. That's awesome. I'll be rocking that for sure. All right. So here we've got some bearings, crank bearings, and a wrist pin bearing. This is for the Husqvarna 372. And this is a cylinder and piston kit for the 372. Or sorry, I misspoke. Crank. This is the crankshaft. I'm gonna leave it in the plastic for now, but I'm not sure exactly when I'll get to this, so I don't want a bunch of dust and dirt and stuff getting on it, so I'll just leave it all packaged tightly for now. This is the cylinder piston kit for the 372. Spark plug and decompression plug. And piston, I presume, is tucked away inside. Yep. And ring. And we've got ourselves a gasket kit with crank seals. And that is a highway product. And it appears like, let's see, I got one here for the 359. Don't remember ordering that, but I must have, because the 359 is one that I plan to work on. I could have sworn I ordered a piston and cylinder kit for that as well. It might be in a different box. Got here. This came from the Duke is chain brake for the 372. That's aftermarket. I've purchased quite a few aftermarket parts from the Duke, which his actual business name is Saw Salvage Traverse Creek Incorporated. Anyway, I've ordered a lot of aftermarket parts from him, and wherever he's getting these, they're pretty good quality. So I keep going back to him. So this is another one from the Duke. This is the side cover. I thought it'd be kind of cool to go with a black. And I'm going to have to get a top cover. I have half of a top cover, but you know, the airbox cap, I have one of those, brand new, low top XP. But I don't have the, you know, the engine cover. I have one, but it's broken. So anyway, it'd be kind of cool to go black and black. Black top, black side, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, feels pretty sturdy. And what we got here? Yes, a couple more carburetor kits to add to my stockpile. K10 HDs. Those fit the 372s, Stihl 440s, 460s, and many others that I can't remember off the top of my head. And what do we got here? This is also from the Duke. This is, and he's got that packaged up nice and tightly. This thing ain't coming apart. This is a bolt kit, Armor Tech hardware kit for the 372. So let's see, in here comes all sorts of goodies. We got a spark plug, which probably ain't that great. Pull cord, kill switch, exhaust gasket, got sprocket, and then of course the assortment of fasteners. See if I can't show you without tipping it over. And let's see, we got one more package. Full wrap handlebar, and should be some felling dogs in there. This only cost about, if I remember correctly, about 45 bucks. And this is supposed to be genuine Husqvarna OEM. The Falling Dogs, see that, are in a genuine Husqvarna parts. Now what I want to try and experiment with is see if I can make this. I bought this for the 372 project, but I want to see if what it would take to make this fit on that 359. The other 359 I built, I just took a half wrap and welded, bent and welded a piece on there. Scavenged another half wrap to do it. But I want to see if with maybe a little bit of modification I can get one of these to more easily fit. And if that's the case, then I'll buy another one, because at the price you just can't beat it, especially with the dogs. Pretty skookum. So it comes with a nice little diagram for those who need it. So anyway, lots of little goodies. I gotta go back through my my order history and see. I was almost certain that I had ordered a cylinder and piston for the 359, and it's not amongst these parts. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Anyway, so wait a second. I must be smoking something, because I just realized that cylinder and piston that I had pulled out and showed you guys, that is the 359. I didn't order a 372 because I already have one. In fact, while I got the camera rolling, I might as well pull that out. I gotta go over here to the cabinet real quick. I'll be right back. Hey. Brand spanking new. OEM. With piston. Somebody had put the rings on here and probably said, not to lose them. A little dusty. Wrist pin bearing, and in there the circlips and the decomp plug and the base gasket. So I paid $100 for this, which I thought I was getting a screaming deal. About the best deal you can hope to get on, like, say, a highway would be 120, 130. So I got an OEM for less than the best deal I could hope to find on a aftermarket. I thought I was doing pretty good. Got this from that, well, where I got a lot of this other Husqvarna stuff. Guy owns a tool rental business. It used to be his dad's business, and he inherited it or bought it from, I don't know which, anyway. But the old man, he'd been a certified Husqvarna dealer for probably 40 years. And so he had a huge stockpile of, old parts and stuff, donor saws. Some of the, I ended up buying everything that the kid had as far as the part saws and stuff. And many of them didn't really require a lot of work to get running, surprisingly. Anyway, he also has a huge stockpile of, old new stock. And this was amongst some of it. And I've purchased in spurts. I've gone back and purchased quite a few different parts from him. At one time, it was my hope to buy everything that he had, but I don't know at this point if I'll do that or not. Storage is a big problem. I don't really have the space to effectively store it all right. So anyway, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit of content. And yeah, coming up, I don't know which one I'll do first, if I'll dig into the 359 or the 372. Kind of thinking I might hammer at the 359 first. I don't know. That's what's coming up. So yeah. Well, I guess I'll end it there. You all take care now, wherever or whenever you might be. Bye.